Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Theorem of total probability. Mutually exclusive events. The probability that a company manager will travel by train is 2/3 and that he'll travel by bus is 1/4. So the probability of his traveling by train or bus is probability of P by traveling bus and probability of by traveling train indicated by P train is equal to 2/3 plus 1/4 is equal to 11 by 12. So probability of not traveling by bus or train is equal to 1 minus 11 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. Events not mutually exclusive. There are three persons A, B and C having different ages. The probability that A survives another 6 years is 0.75, B survives another 6 years is 0.55 and C survives another 6 years is 0.45. The probabilities that A and B survive another 6 years is 0.40, B and C survive another 6 years is 0.30 and A and B survives another 6 years is 0.40. The probability that all these three persons survive another 6 years is 0.20. Find the probability that at least one of them survives another 6 years. Here P is equal A is equal to 0.75, PB is equal to 0.55, PC is equal to 0.45, P of A intersection B, that is A and B, is 0.40, P of B intersection C, that is probability of B and C, is 0.30, P of A intersection C, that is probability of A and C, is 0.40 and probability of A intersection B intersection C, that is probability of A, B and C, is 0.20. The probability that at least one of them survives another 6 years is given by probability of A, U, B and C, that is A or B or C, is equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A and B, A intersection B, minus probability of A and C and minus probability B and C plus probability of A and B and C is equal to 0.75 plus 0.55 plus 0.45 minus 0.40 minus 0.30 minus 0.40 plus 0.20 is equal to 0.85. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.